I thought I would show you what I got at Hobby Lobby yesterday. It is a stainless steel mess kit. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So one of the nice things about this time of year, which is springtime, is a lot of the stores start bringing in their summer items and their camping items, their barbecue items. And a lot of times you could find some nice things for portable cooking or for travel cooking or for counter cooking. And I found this in Hobby Lobby yesterday. I was not looking for this. I was looking for some Easter items. And I came across this, and it was originally $24.99, but if you know how Hobby Lobby works, like everything they get, they put on sale. So it was 40% off. So I ended up getting it for $14.99. And it was in their spring shop, and it was camping accessories. And this tag says plate or food storage use only. But it's clearly a mess kit, so I am going to assume that you could cook in it also. On the bottom, it says hand wash only, food safe, not microwave safe. Obviously, since it's made out of stainless steel, it's not going to be microwave safe. So it's pretty lightweight for stainless steel. And this piece opens up. So now we have like the pan and the handle. And it's pretty sturdy. And then this piece comes out and we have a plate. So this is what we have. We have a food container that looks like it can double as a frying pan or a pan that you could cook the food in. And then we have a plate that you can eat the food out of. So I thought this was really nice because I've been using my SabotHeat a lot and also my Hot Logic, and I use them with the glass pyrex containers, which can be heavy because glass can be heavy. And I've been thinking, you know, I would really like to have some kind of stainless steel that I could use inside of those containers. I don't like using plastic at all. I only really like using either ceramic, which is going to be just as heavy as glass, or stainless steel. And when I saw this, I was like, wow, I think this could really work good, because here's the bottom part. I could put my food in here, and then this part obviously doubles as a plate, but it's also a cover. And it fits nicely on here, and then this keeps it shut. So it's a pretty snug fit. And to me, it looked like the perfect size for a SabotHeat or a Hot Logic. And I was like, wow, this could really work well. It's lighter in weight than the glass Pyrex, and I like the fact that I could also use the cover as a plate. So that's why I got it, and I thought I would make this quick video about it just to let you know that it is available in Hobby Lobby if you are looking for something like this, or if you think something like this could be useful for you. I also like how it has this little hook to hang it. Not that I would use that, but it's a nice feature to have. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to cut the tag off, I'm going to wash this, and then I'm going to use it to heat up some food in my SabotHeat. So here's what I'm going to be heating up. I have some leftover eggplant parmesan, which is this, and then I have some lentil pasta. And I'm actually going to cut everything up really small because I'm currently only eating very soft foods. I just had a wisdom tooth extracted a few days ago. I haven't been posting videos much recently because my wisdom tooth broke. I had a very old amalgam filling in it, and as those old fillings age, they expand, and they are known to crack your teeth and break your teeth. And that's what happened to my wisdom tooth. So the dentist said, well, we can't do anything to it because it's broken really bad. You're going to have it extracted. So I had it extracted, and now I'm only eating soft food. So that's why I'm going to cut this up all like really, really small. Okay, so I just cut everything up. It kind of looks like a casserole at this point. Almost reminds me of like a hamburger helper. So I'm going to put the top on. And let me get my SabotHeat. So here's the SabotHeat, and look at that. It's like a perfect fit. So let's shut this. Let's put it on I don't know, let's put it on high, level 6, and let's see what happens. I'm setting it for 180 minutes, but I'll probably check it way before then. It's been almost a half hour now. I just opened up the SabotHeat, and this is really warm. In fact, it's quite hot. So I want to see if we could open this, or am I going to burn myself? Okay, that's not too bad. Can you hear that? It's sizzling. So it looks good. Is it hot? Yeah. That's really hot. So this worked really well in the SabotHeat. I'm going to unplug it. I wonder if I could just grab this with the handle and take it out. Yeah, look at that. Look. Comes right out. So here's the plate, and there's some condensation on the plate from everything cooking. I'm just going to pile everything onto the plate. I mean, you could probably eat it straight out of this pan. And nothing stuck, so that's nice also. All right, and here we have it. Perfectly warmed up. A really cute little mess kit. And I am very happy. I'm going to be eating this for a late lunch today. So these say hand wash only, and I just hand washed this, and can you see that? It's already discolored. I don't know if that's some of the metal coating wearing off. I don't know if it's a reaction with the tomato sauce. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there, but there's definitely some discoloration already. And I also found out that this is basically a reproduction World War II mess kit. This is the kind of mess kit that was used from World War II through the Vietnam War, so from the 40s through the 50s and 60s. So this lid, which is also a plate, it has this handle which fits through this handle, and it fits perfectly over the handle. And then you can hold this like a tray. See how it's extended and it's like one larger piece? Soldiers would take this to the mess tent, and then they would get their food like this and then eat it from here. So if you're going camping with a bunch of people and there's a bunch of community food, these are really cool to have as like everyone's individual trays. So for the original ones in the army, there were also utensils that went along with it. So what you would do is after you ate, this would hang off the handle, and you would also thread your utensils on the handle. And then to clean this, they would have like large tubs of hot water, and then you would just lift everything up and like dip it into you know, hot sudsy water and then clean water, and then that was an easy way for the soldiers to clean their mess kits. So I thought that was interesting when I found that out. So I think this is a nice item. It's at Hobby Lobby for $14.99. The only thing that's a little weird is the discoloration on this. Maybe you can't cook in it, maybe you can't heat stuff up, but it is stainless steel, so I would think it would be okay. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.